Very good morning to everybody. Today we are going to discuss exercise 6.1 fourth sum, first subdivision. Prove the following identities. Secant power 6 theta, tan power 6 theta, 3 tan square theta into secant square theta plus 1. So left hand side, secant power 6 theta. Through this, we need to prove tan power 6 theta plus 3 tan square theta into secant square theta plus 1. So now, any power 6 theta, power 6 in the trigonometric formula, power 6 representation, any formulas are there? No. So what we need to do? Square, secant square theta. So secant square theta, secant theta. For this, the trigonometric formula is there. So secant square theta whole, if secant power 6 theta should come, means how we need to do? Secant square theta whole cube. Secant square theta, what is the formula? 1 plus tan square theta whole cube. So 1 plus tan square theta whole cube, as per algebraic formula, a plus b whole cube, because 1 plus tan square theta whole cube is there. So whole cube means next part we need to think it out. How we can solve with the next step. This is in the representation of a plus b whole cube. So what is the formula for a plus b whole cube? A cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. This is the formula. So by this, a, which one represents as a? A equal to 1. B equal to tan square theta. B equal to tan square theta. So a equal to how much? 1 cube. B equal to tan square theta whole cube plus 3 into a is how much? 1. B is tan square theta into a plus b. A is what? 1 plus b is tan square theta. 1 cube is how much? 1 plus tan square theta whole cube is 2 into 3 tan power 6 theta plus 3 into 1 3 tan square theta. 1 plus tan square theta. In the trigonometric formula, 1 plus tan square theta equal to how much? 1 plus tan square theta equal to secant square theta. Now 1 plus tan power 6 theta plus 3 tan square theta into secant square theta. So tan power 6 theta plus 3 tan square theta secant square theta plus 1. So plus 1. So right hand side we have proved it. So now this is right hand side. Hence proved. That's all. We have proved this problem. Next thing is fourth sum, second subdivision, sin theta plus secant theta whole square plus cos theta plus cosecant theta whole square equal to 1 plus secant theta plus cosecant theta whole square. So now left hand side, sin theta plus secant theta whole square, cos theta plus cosecant theta whole square. So this is in the method of which formula? A plus b whole square. This is also a plus b whole square. So as per the algebraic formula, a plus b whole square equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. a plus b whole square equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. So for this sin theta plus secant theta whole square, how we are going to solve it? A equal to sin theta, b equal to secant theta. So a square is what? Sin theta whole square. B is secant theta whole square plus 2ab. 2 a is what? Sin theta. B is secant theta. This one is plus. Here for this is also a plus b whole square method. So now how we are going to do it? How we are going to do? A equal to cos theta, B equal to cosecant theta. So a square is what? Cos theta whole square. B square is cosecant theta. So cosecant theta whole square plus 2ab is what? 2ab is 2 into cos theta a. B is cosecant theta. So now sin theta whole square. Sin theta whole square is how much? Sin square theta. Secant theta whole square is secant square theta plus 2 sin theta secant theta plus cos theta whole square is how much? Cos square theta. Cosecant theta whole square is how much? Cosecant square theta plus 2 cos theta cosecant theta. Sin square theta plus cos square theta. Sin square theta plus cos square theta plus secant square theta plus cosecant square theta. Secant square theta plus cosecant square theta plus 2 sin theta plus 2 sin theta secant theta plus 2 cos theta cosecant theta. So now sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to what is the formula? 1. 1 plus cosecant square theta plus secant square theta plus 2 sin theta secant theta plus 2 cos theta cosecant theta. So now how we are going to do this? We need to take common of these two things. 1 plus cosecant square theta plus secant square theta plus 2 into sin theta secant theta plus 2 into sin theta secant theta came. Here cos theta cosecant theta. So now next thing is how we are going to do? 1 plus cosecant square theta plus secant square theta plus 2 into sin theta into how much? Secant theta formula is 1 by cos theta plus cos theta into cosecant theta formula is how much? 1 by sin theta. So now as it is you need to write here 1 plus cosecant square theta plus secant square theta plus 2 into sin theta by cos theta plus cos theta into 1 is cos theta by sin theta. Now we need to do cross multiply in this thing. So how we are going to do? 1 plus cosecant square theta plus secant square theta plus 2 into sin theta into sin theta, sin square theta, cos theta into cos theta, here plus cos theta into cos theta, cos square theta, sin theta into cos theta. Now 1 plus cosecant square theta plus secant square theta 2 into 1 by sin theta cos theta. So now how we are going to do this one? 1 plus cosecant square theta plus secant square theta plus 2 into 1 by sin theta is how much? Cosecant theta. 1 by cos theta is how much? Secant theta. So now how we are going to do this one? This is in the formula of a square plus b square plus 2ab. So a is how much? A is cosecant theta. B is secant theta. A is cosecant theta. B is secant theta. So how we are going to do? 1 plus cosecant theta plus secant theta whole square. A plus b whole square equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. This is the thing. If we are elevating this one, cosecant square theta plus secant square theta plus 2ab is 2 cosecant theta secant theta. That's all about this problem.